is the story of formation of our sun, planets, moons, comets and asteroids, which together formed our solar system 4.5 billion years ago. It is our Milky Way galaxy, about 5 billion years ago. In one of these spiral arms, a huge cloud of gas and dust is present, waiting for a signal, an initiator, stimulus that will start the evolutionary process of our solar system. Then suddenly one day, a nearby star ended its life cycle and exploded, and we called it a supernova. The shock wave of the explosion swept across our interstellar gas and dust and accelerated our evolution. Because of gravity, the ever-attracting force, this huge interstellar gas and dust started to collapse and spin, forming the solar nebula, a spinning, swirling disk of material. At the center, gravity pulled more and more material in, and the particles started to vibrate and collide with increasing frequency, building up the pressure in the core so great that hydrogen atoms began to combine, overcoming the repelling forces, and started to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. With that, our sun was born, and it eventually amazed more than 99% of the available matter. As it was spinning, conservation of angular momentum, gravity, and magnetic field gave it a disk-like appearance, with the baby sun at the center. Further out in the disk, the lumps of matter were moving in different random orbits with unequal speeds. Imagine cars running on roads. As long as the cars will move with the same speed, there will be no collisions. But when they will start moving in random way with unequal velocities, all cars will collide and clump together. So happened with the early solar system. Their collisions gathered small lumps and converted them into bigger lumps into asteroids, asteroids into protoplanets, and protoplanets into planets that will live on here today. In other cases, planets did not form. The asteroid belt is made of bits and pieces of the early solar system that could never quite come together into a planet. Other small leftover pieces became asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and small irregular moons. You have often noticed that in swirling water, the impurities or the heavier particles tend to move at the center, while the lighter particles remain at the periphery. Such a similar process was going on in the solar system. The denser and the heavier lumps migrated inwards, settling into stable orbits, and formed the 4 inner rocky terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Towards the outer end, the less denser material formed the 4 gas giant planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Through billions of years, our Sun, along with its 8 planets, have evolved. They settled into stable orbits. The third planet, Earth, settled its orbit in the habitable zone, and life evolved, and the cosmos continued to play its game, eventually forming you and me and taking us to this day, so that we can discuss about its mastermind games that it played 4.5 billion years ago. If you like this video, then you can like, subscribe and share this video for more such interesting space facts. This